In 1948, the small Chesapeake Bay village of Deltaville, Virginia, saw the birth of a baseball gem, built entirely of wood by local hands. Picture this: local boat builders and craftsmen coming together along Sturgeon Creek, hammering away, constructing what would become Virginia's oldest all-wooden baseball stadium, Deltaville Ballpark. June 1948, the park saw its first game, and the Deltaville Deltas, a semi-pro team with roots predating the park, took the field. Fast forward to 1976, the grandstand got a rebuild. Imagine workers hammering wood, creating a sturdy structure that would stand the test of time. Then came 1996, with dugout and outfield fence upgrades. From 2016 to 2024, the ballpark underwent major renovations. The roof was replaced with custom-cut lumber, and in 2017, a new scoreboard was installed. Picture a lively game, fans cheering, wooden bats cracking, and an osprey flying overhead with a fish, tying in that local Chesapeake Bay flavor. But Deltaville Ballpark is more than just a place for baseball, it's a community hub. Kids playing during the annual Little League weekend and families celebrating 4th of July Heritage Day with fireworks lighting up the sky. Imagine the vintage charm, wooden stands filled with families eating hot dogs, and all the while, the spirit of baseball alive and well. And today in 2025, the ballpark glows under new LED lights. Deltaville Ballpark stands as a testament to community spirit and baseball tradition. 77 years strong and counting. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from River Realm Life. Thanks for watching, y'all.